So hello, and this is the game that I made with Python and using Chatgpt to make this nice game where you can shoot at aliens. If you avoid them, you get more score. You don't get the score by shooting them, but by avoiding them. Shooting them is just to prevent you to be killed. When you are touched, you are killed. And so you see it's running in the browser because I've used pygbag, and so now okay, it's working. And let's see where we have our files. We get the build in here, we got the web with the index, the APK, the favicon. So I can get this, maybe call it full py. Okay, let's copy this one, then let me go into my GitHub repository here, let me paste it. Okay, full py, here it is, and then you get this. And so let me go in the command line, let me commit everything here. Okay, now I should, okay, what do I should do to play it? I don't know if it's been downloaded yet, but let's go. So this was local, and we can also stop it. I will show you later how to run it locally. Okay, this is the video that I'm recording with ffmpeg. Okay, let's go to my site. Okay, on GitHub. I had another game here. GitHub. It's in full py /index. Okay, I think it's good. Let's double thing here. Okay, so it runs very good. Well, should work with ones. Okay, so we are, as you see it, now we are online, I guess. Yes, because this is the. So you've seen how you can run a game with Python in the browser. You can also put it into sites. Let's see if it works. And it works perfect. Oh, it's too, I like this. This could be a thing that I could have stitched into my. Okay, so we have seen something very interesting. Now you would probably know how do I made it this game with Chatgpt. You see, it's a working game, and maybe not the best game ever, but it's a game and it's working in the browser, and you can also use it in Google sites. It's kinda great. Yeah, so